So guys, good morning. Today I'm making fish pie, guys. We are making fish pie and buns together, guys. We are going to make 50 pieces. So here is the fish we are using. Join me, let's cut it together. So I already washed it. I'll be cutting it now one by one. See. So I'll be cutting it like this. So I have to dry the fish before using it. I'm using air fryer to dry the fish before using it, guys. We'll cut it into three parts. So after drying it, we debone the fish. We remove the bone inside. So here is the fish we are using. And also I have my tea here. This is the tea I will be drinking this morning, guys. I'll be taking that is once more. That is Lipton. It's Lipton. So guys, this is so I'll be removing this thing. We are using air fryer to dry the fish. The fish is ready, so I'll be putting it inside here. Before putting it, I'll put a little pinch of salt. You don't even need to put salt because you are still going to season it. You're still going to season it. Don't need to put so I'll be putting it here. I'll remove that one so that the oil can go down when the fish is dry. So I cut it like this so that it will contain the pan. So we have more space. We still have more space inside, guys. So this is it. You can see that we still have space. So I'll be putting it for oven now for the air fryer. See you guys. So guys, we are going to cut this carrot into smaller pieces, guys. So we are using this carrot. So I will also buy potato. I don't have potato at all. So when I take my kids to school, I'll buy potato my way coming back. Guys, I think this carrot is okay. So only slice two so that it will not be too much. This is it. So I'll buy potato later, so we fry it together. Okay guys, as you can see, the fish is ready. So I dry it like this. I will be deboning the fish before using it, guys. So I don't want it to dry too much. So this is what we are using to prepare our fish pie. We are using it to prepare fish pie, guys. It's very hot. I don't want the oil to enter inside. It has oil under. This is the fish. Share the video, guys.